Hello. Alright then, so this is the McLaren wheel, and sorry about the dog. This is the quick release they send you, the quick release light. We won't be using that. We're going to be using the Club Sport quick release. So I thought I'd just show an assembly. There we go. Feels very nice. Okay. Unboxing time. Oh, there we go. Right, so stickers. And then there's some more tools in there, but they're sellotaped down. Some spare button caps. Okay. Alright then. How do we open this? Ah, there we go. There it is, a McLaren wheel. It's a good size, 30 centimetres. A bit wider than what I'm used to. Yep, everything feels good. Gear change feels nice. The magnetic paddles, pretty quiet actually. I've seen reviews where people have said they're noisy, but maybe they've changed it. So that feels, yeah, feels nice. Okay, so you need to remove this cap first. You've got to be careful you don't damage these pins, because they're quite delicate. Okay, let's put the wheel down on something a bit softer. Okay, so if you're using the podium wheel, this will enable high torque mode. So let's have a... If you're on the DD Pro like I am, or the Club Sport, that's the one that, yeah, I'm guessing that. Just unbox this. So this is the free one that comes with the stock wheel. Yeah, so that pin there enters in there and presses a button. Yeah, that'll basically go in there and press that button, and then stops you using high torque mode because of the plastic. You don't need to do that with this. Okay, so there you go. Only goes in one way. Excellent. So they've already got thread lock on them, which is good. So just put one in each hole. Right. 4. 5. And 6. Just going to wind them in a bit with a finger. And the Allen key they give you is a ball joint, ball type, so you can go in at a bit of an angle. And there we go. Just doing them at opposite ends. I don't think it's something you need to do. I just used to be a mechanic, so I tend to tighten things down in a specific pattern, like as if you're torquing head bolts. Everything feels amazingly good quality from Fanatec. Love to try some of their other wheels. Okay. I'm just going to nip these up a bit. Not going to over tighten them, because the thread lock should do its job. And I'd say after a few days of use I'd check these just to double check the thread lock's holding. That feels good. Just one more little nip. Yeah, and that's good. There we go. The instructions, there's no mention of what this does, but it's countersunk, so I'm assuming it goes into there. So this is probably to pin it to the wheelbase. Wheelbase is here. I just need to. I'll do an unboxing video on that and then show how this all goes together. And, yeah, feels really nice. Heavier than I was expecting, considering it's all plastic. I'm really looking forward to that. I imagine these grips are probably going to get your hands really hot, so I'll be wearing gloves most of the time with this. So yeah, really looking forward to trying these. The clutch paddles feel very nice. It's quite a lot of resistance there. So yeah, definitely worth the €200. Yeah, very happy with it. So Right, well, thanks for watching. Sorry if I've bored you. Put that back in its box. And yep, I'll see you in the next video. I'll unbox the wheelbase next, and I'll compare this as well to the Thrustmaster SF1000. That's the one I've been using for a couple of months now. I love the wheel. Been having some missed shifts in that, so I use that as an excuse to go down the Fanatec range now that they've got the wheelbases back in stock. So, okay, thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.